Hello. Today we're going to learn about string concatenation. String concatenation is just a string added onto other strings or numbers. And here's an example of output using a string. And if you want to concatenate, then you just add another string here with a plus sign. And this is another string. And when you concatenate, you're adding a string to another string. Or you can also add it to a number. And let's run the program. String added onto another string. And this is another string. And this is a number. And that's how you concatenate a string. And this is it for today. Be sure to subscribe and like for more videos. And thank you for watching.